Hi and welcome to this Blueberry Markets video update with me, John Kibler, Head Currency Analyst. In this video we're going to be taking a look at Kiwi CAD, breaking down the charts to see if there's any potential trading opportunities on this pair. Now, the reason I'm looking at this pair is the fact that overnight the Canadian dollar strength had dropped quite significantly against many other currency pairs, so I was alerted to having a look at potential Canadian dollar weakness trades, which was quite unusual because at the start of the week we actually saw that the Canadian dollar was gaining strength. So to see a significant shift as we did kind of alerts me to go and have a look at that Canadian dollar, and what I noticed was Kiwi CAD over here on the right hand side was very much at a key demand zone. If I just go to the weekly chart on that chart in particular, you can see that price is back at this key demand zone where we saw a significant run on that weekly chart previously, and now we're back in here testing this area. We could see another significant move back up, potentially into these weekly lows or this weekly high. So Kiwi CAD is on the radar just because it's at that area as well. Now, taking a look at the Kiwi dollar at the top left hand corner of the screen, we can see that price is at a key demand point. Okay, so you can see we rallied from here before, and we noted Kiwi in our outlook as a potential break or bounce point because this is at a key demand zone. We expected it to kind of follow the Aussie dollar, but you know, Kiwi is at demand, the Australian dollar isn't, so we could see some Kiwi strength come back into the market and push higher. So if that's the case, and dollar CAD below, sorry, just to explain, dollar CAD is trading back above 134. You know, we were looking for that long-term breakout in CAD and potentially even moving significantly lower, and that still may happen depending on what happens with the FOMC and the US dollar. However, across the board, Canadian dollar is pretty weak anyway. Okay, so we talked about a potential false breakout because the weekly closed back within here, so we could actually be seeing something like this happen on dollar CAD. But the fact that CAD is weak and Kiwi is strong today and Kiwi CAD is at a key demand zone gives us the potential to look at this market for a long position. So just going down to that 4-hour time frame, what do we need to see happen? And you know, I talk about this all the time. We need to see some key higher highs. Now what we're seeing at the moment is this potential inverse head and shoulders pattern, where we could see a breakout, which we've already seen technically by breaking these highs like that. This counter trend line, nice break above, so we could look for those long positions, or as we always do, look for that clean higher high breakout. Okay, so on that 4-hour time frame, if I just zoom in so you can see, this is our previous high on the 4-hour time frame, so I'm just going to highlight that here. That's our previous high. What we are looking for is the market to potentially bounce lower, form a higher high, meeting our rules, pullback, continuation move. Okay, so this is what we're going to be looking for on Kiwi CAD. Let's see how this progresses. We should see the Kiwi bounce quite significantly from this point. We still are expecting 6,700 to be tested because it hasn't been tested yet, and we do feel like that could be tested still, as long as this demand zone holds on Kiwi dollar. And you know, this could all change with regards to the FOMC this week. Very, very hard trading conditions this week, so please be wary of any kind of trading opportunities, or at least lower the risk in terms of trading this week, because it is going to be a little bit of a mad one. Okay, so thanks for joining me today. I hope you've enjoyed this video update. If you have, please like the video, subscribe to the channel for more trading ideas as well, and if you're watching on TradingView, thank you, and give us a follow. Comment below, how do you see this trade playing out? Thanks, speak to you soon.